Designs, new merchants. They're so amazing. They'll blow you away.
Hi, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Chelly, and here on this channel I offer tips, tricks, and tutorials on creating merchandise and also starting your own business. I previously did an unboxing of this hat press. Please go check that video out and like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are going to do a video on how to use this heat press. I'll also link in the description to this heat press I got on Amazon for about $165. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so straight into the video. Right now we're going to go ahead and start. Our power button is on the left side of the machine, so it's just a simple switch on power button. So then our next step would be to check the temperature. A recommended temperature is about 180. I'm going to do 250. Okay, and then we'll do 60 seconds. You just push that, and then it'll do the time up or down here, 60 seconds here. So this is our temperature, so we'll just wait till it gets to 250. This is our the pressure of how you want your press. So when you push this down, it'll be a pressure, least or most, I guess depending on the hat, what type of pressure you will need. This is a lever. If you do have a heat press, you'll realize that it's a lot more gentle than your regular heat press. So we'll go ahead, try to put the hat on there. This is the hat stretcher here. So you're gonna put be careful because this is getting hot. So you'll put it here, hat stretcher here, stretch it down. So then we'll just put the cap on here. It is being stretched from the bottom. So I'm just gonna kind of see where it's gonna press it. So that's a pretty good spot. So you just gotta kind of keep adjusting to what type of hat you have there. So today we're going to do a Straight Outta Content logo for my husband at Straight Outta Content. Please be sure to subscribe to his channel and his Instagram. We are trying to grow his channel to 1,000 subscribers as well as mine. So please be sure to subscribe to our channel. So we're creating a hat for him today. So just kind of like find the center, just like we do regular things, regular merch. So that would be our center there. Okay. So we're waiting. Our heat press is actually heats pretty fast. Take a look at how fast that heat is going. 2, 3, 4, 5. My regular heat press doesn't go this fast. So that's kind of good. Whoa, look at that. Okay. So we'll just a few more minutes. All right, so we are at our 250 mark. So let's go ahead and give it a press. This is kind of not sticking because of the curvation, but we'll go ahead. Okay, push it down. This is the pressure thing that I was telling you about. You can wind it. If you look here, up and down, pressure up and down. So I actually want to do more pressure, so I just kind of make it go down. Then we'll just wait for our 60 seconds. Okay, this is the beeping noise it does. So last time I had to loosen it up to pop it open, so that's what I'm going to do here. Ooh. Okay. This white, ooh, it stinks. This white is a hot peel. Okay, let's take a look to see how this did. Ooh, this is actually a good peel. It's not sticking. Ooh, that was a good press. Wow, I'm impressed. No pun intended. I'm impressed on that press. What do you think? All right, so that is how we use the hat press today. I will have the link below of this hat press that we purchased on Amazon. Like I said, it was about $165. We got it on sale, so please check it out. I actually give it an overall a 10 out of 10. It was really easy to use, really easy to learn. The instructions manual was very simple. The heat went very fast. It got hot very fast, which is I'm impressed because my heat press does not heat up that fast. The press is really good. The press down is really good on the hands, on the wrist, not as much as my regular heat press. Just really easy to use. If we take a look, we can tell we did get a full press all around, a deep press all around. So I'm really impressed with the product and with the machine. So please remember to subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, YouTube, Flash Custom Designs, and Straight Outta Content. If you have any questions, comments, or if you need merch made, or if you are interested in purchasing hats or more questions about making hats, please let me know. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.